I'm excited to share my newest pool home listing in the highly sought after guard-gated community of Greer Ranch. There's so many things to love about this home, but here's a few of my favorites. Number 1, the location. Sitting at the end of a cul-de-sac and nestled high up in the hills, this home offers amazing views of the Santa Rosa Plateau, Temecula Valley, and come dusk, miles of city lights. Number 2, the lot. With over 9,000 square feet of flat usable space, this backyard offers a PebbleTech pool, spa, putting green, paver patio with a Lumawood patio cover for shade, plus a large grassy area, all perfect for relaxing or entertaining. And number 3, the floor plan. This home has nearly 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms with one on the main floor, ideal for guests, a bonus room with separate study area, 2 balconies, and a private primary treat with fireplace. I'm the Tall Gal with Realty One Group. For more information or a private showing, contact me today.